So friends, in my earlier video I had shown you how to open the zone, that is invert clearing zone, HMICZ. After opening the zone, we lodge the instruments manually in the zone by menu option HICTMO. So before that, thanks everyone for the such overwhelming response. Those who have enrolled to my website banktechskills.com as well as my YouTube channels, and my subscribers are increasing, views are increasing, so I think I have added certain value to all of you. So please like my Facebook page of banktechskills.com as well as Instagram. So I'll be launching four people lucky draw for four people who will get 30% discount. I'll be sharing the code with them. So let me know when you like that, right? So again, please do give your suggestions, feedback, write to me either on my YouTube channels or on my website also when you enroll into it. So kindly do give your feedback, any suggestion, any topic, any difficulty, any problem, any query to be resolved. So any topic you want me to add besides Finacle in banking as well as sales and selling techniques or soft skills or various other modules that I'll be launching in future also, right? So let's start with the how do we lodge the instruments. This is the second video in the process. First, prior to this, I had shown you how to open the zone. Now we'll post the instruments which belong to our bank, right? So let's go further. The user to use invoke menu option HICTMO. The first HMICZ, that is opening of the zone, that will be system generated. Then we have this HICTMO by entering the same in menu shortcut field and clicking on go. So in my website I'll be sharing these live videos on inward clearing and outward clearing, wherein you'll have a more clear and better idea how clearing works either in the back offices or in the branches in some of the public sector banks. System displays inward clearing transactions maintenance online criteria. In HMICZ, we had entered total number of instruments as well as total amount of inward clearing, means that was the gross total, I mean grand total of all the checks received from all the banks in that particular day and number of instruments, right? So in this HICTMO, we have to choose the function option as A. First we will be adding it, that will be verified. Zone date, control X. Zone code, automatically you can choose from the searcher. If you know it, you can type it also and click on go. So next is a screen that appears on your laptop or computer. Add zone date, zone code, sole ID, right? That will be your branch, your back office, whatever it is. Click on go here. Then we have to enter instruments account wise, right? So every check has to be entered. First account number has to be mentioned in the field, that is account ID. Signatures can be viewed by clicking on signature icon. After you enter the account number, it will show you the details. There is a tab for details also where you can check the available balance is there or not. Plus you can view the signatures also. You have to verify the signatures because they are the signatures of our customers of our bank, right? Then amount, what is the amount of the check number, instrument number, carving, yes. Now I'll tell you what carving is. Suppose I issued a check to some person and he presented to my bank in inward clearing. I don't know on which time, which date the check will be presented in my account. I may withdraw some funds and not knowing that I have issued a check. So what system does is, as soon as it finds that sufficient balance is available, it carves means it marks a lien. That means customer cannot withdraw that amount after that check has been entered in HICTMO menu option. What will happen if we enter the check amount and everything? Maybe he may withdraw from ATM, maybe he may withdraw from some other branches. So we have entered the check and there will be overdraft created unknowingly, right? So when the sufficient balance is available, it carves the amount. Carving means reserves that amount for clearing. Instrument type CHQ check. Instrument date, whatever the date is, it should not be stale, not more than 3 months old. plus it's not be post dated also. Then click on add, keep on adding these instruments, and let's say there are 100 instruments, you can add 100 instruments at a time, or 50 instruments, or 250, whatever the size of the back office or the branch is, right? So you can see here this 5 number, this column here 5 number, it is account ID. You get this signature icon here, and this is detail. In front of the searcher there is a searcher, then account details, you can see the account is active, what is the balance available, it is mode of operation, you can verify, and there is a signature icon in right hand side of that. So you click on that, you'll get a signature, you can verify that. Amount carving, yes, right? So always remember, when we enter the check, that amount is reserved, means 50,000 is reserved in the account of KM Sudhakaran. He cannot withdraw once this amount is entered, otherwise he may withdraw and overdraft may be created unknowingly, right? Then instrument number, what is the check number, right? Then temporary overdraft, no. So we also provide temporary overdrafts in case some amount is falling short in some accounts, depending on the customer and sanction of the manager. Transaction code, right? To which check does it belong? Does it belong to savings or current? So there are 10 is for savings, 12 is for current account, various. We have these various transaction code. Instrument type, point number 8, check. Instrument date, control X, or whatever the date is, you can type that, right? And there is on 11 number here, top left hand side top, you can add as many instruments as are there in the inward clearing. You can go on adding one by one, keep on adding. Don't submit after every instrument. Keep on adding instrument. One instrument you added, then add another instrument you added, add another instrument you added, add, right? So this is how you enter all the instruments, and this will tally what we had entered in HMICZ. When we open the zone, we had entered the number of instruments and the amount, and that should tally, right? So this is again a screen, better screen, right? Then click on submit. As soon as you submit all the instruments, so here we have entered just one check here. So we can enter as many instruments are there in inward clearing, right? Carving is yes, temporary overdraft is no. Reject reason, not rejected, right? I'll show you when we reject the instrument how we have to do on carving as no, and reject we have to give the reason, is it inward clearing or outward clearing, or maybe counter clearing, counter rejections, right? Click on submit, and all the instruments are entered in HICTMO. So here all the instruments added successfully. Then HICTMO menu option has to be used, and this has to be verified again by the verifying officer, right? So process of verifying is the same menu command HICTMO for processing verification by the second officer, right? He will verify all the instruments, he'll check all the checks amount, and he'll also verify the signatures if it falls in his or her power, right? The verifying officer has to again invoke menu option HICTMO by entering the same in menu shortcut field and clicking on go. System displays inward clearing transactions maintenance on like criteria screen, right? So you can go on V, verify, enter zone date, control X, zone code is there, click on go, you get this, and again you'll have to enter this, and now we'll have to choose. As a maker we had chosen A for addition, here we will have to choose V for verifying, right? Then you get this, you just have to type the instrument number here, right? So you can keep on verifying it, right? Click on system displays a list and keep on accepting the checks laws in the system, right? So verifying officer can verify all these checks. Lodge record, verify, authorizer to check each record to verify correctness of the data. Verifier can also check signatures by clicking on signature icon, use up and down arrow for navigations, and click on submit. So you get these instruments. As soon as you submit, you get these various. Now here there are 3 instruments added. So when the cursor is there on the first tab, it will should reflect the account ID and the amount and the signatures when can verify. The bottom half shows the, which is masked upper level here. This one, first one, right? You can see here this one, first one. So as the cursor is here, this detail. Now when you bring the cursor down again, to second instrument, all this data will change as per the entry made in that instrument also, right? So one by one you can keep on checking it, and finally verifying officer has to submit and instrument stands verified, right? So HICTMO, again I'm summarizing. First open the zone HMICZ, then lodge the instruments HICTMO. While opening the zone, enter number of instruments and grand total of inward clearing received in the inward clearing from different banks, right? Now we get an image now. It is all check truncation system here, right? Now we'll run a validation of all these instruments. I'll show you how we run that.